Most reviews on ProNail Complex tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does, so I put it through the motions, broke down the mechanism, checked the ingredients, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review notes. Here's what I found. What's actually going on with stubborn toenail issue and fungus removal. Most people really aren't saying out of pocket. They're failing because the things they tried only address surface level brittle texture, not the real reason. Frustration of doing everything right, endless creams, and still feeling stuck for heavy messaging. That's what the ProNail Complex is designed for. When I broke down how ProNail Complex activates, it targets the root level sub-ungual microenvironment directly, not just the surface nail. That's the distinction that matters. Most traditional topicals work at the symptom level with thick creams that can't penetrate, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper. A microparticle mist delivery system combined with a highly concentrated lipid carrier, more targeted and less extreme. Running through the key components, undecylenic acid. This is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the persistent fungal biology tied to recurrent infections. Then, a combination of flow flood and tea treatment, which I haven't seen formulated this way in this category. Acting as a potent dual-action antimicrobial barrier. And while the distinct umbrella, easy to overlook, but it's what creates the lipid vehicle that makes the other active ingredients actually compound and penetrate, instead of evaporating or canceling each other. Based on the breakdown of what consistent users are reporting, early on, usually within the first 1 to 2 weeks, most people notice a distinct early observable signal, like reduced skin dryness on the nail bed and the soothing of localized irritation. That tends to grow into a mid-twitch with consistency, where the new nail growth begins showing a clearer, stronger texture, and longer term, a deeper change in the secret balance. Homes with generated healthy nail beds and the confidence to stop hiding behind, not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Spray the mist over your toes daily after showering. Fix into a morning or evening routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results, 6 to 8 weeks. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanisms and natural biology cycles work. The first week is laying the foundation. The compounding of the later. One variable I always factor in, refunds. ProNail Complex comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence booster. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know under-deliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is below. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. They are currently offering a 3+3 bottle discount with free shipping and bonus protocols if you're looking at the long-term timeline.
In Philadelphia,
Go
Chase
through
is
it,
proud to root for the
cross-check
home
what I've
team
covered,
because
and
they're
run
our
your
team
own
too.
matrix.
We cheer
You've
from the
got
bleachers
everything you need
and on the sidelines.
That's the
We
full
cheer for
matrix
gymnasts
on ProNail
and
Complex.
quarterbacks.
Mechanism
And with
checked,
more than 80 local
features
Chase
broken
branches
down,
and 5,000
risk
nationwide,
assessed.
we are right
The
beside
call
you,
is yours.
Philadelphia.